Welcome everyone, and I'm so sorry that I didn't get a chance to upload my video. Yesterday we had technical difficulties, so I'm glad today we've sorted out the difficulties, and I'm just going to show you my Christmas journal. I can't believe that Christmas is over, and we have had a new year, and I hope you guys have had a wonderful time with family and friends. And so I have, and I just wrote a Thanksgiving and a memory of Christmas. It was a blessing for us because last year we weren't able to celebrate Christmas properly because Mom was in hospital. And I found this quote here, which I decided to put in my journal. So I don't know if you've seen my other videos. So here is actually a pocket. So I'll just show you that pocket, and it stores my little tags. So this one, I made this from that packaging, the gingerbread tea lights. These ones I drew, and this was given to me from a friend and for Christmas, and I just wanted to put it in here. Now this Christmas tree, I was looking for one that would suit our home, because I needed to raise it up on a table because of my dog, or else she'll be eating the decorations. And because it was late, I had trouble finding one. But when I went to the op shop to drop some stuff, lo and behold, I found one, and it was $5. How amazing is that? And these are my decorations from the past, and actually fit on the Christmas tree. And this is a gingerbread house that my daughter made. We had more family and friends from New South Wales, and it was wonderful to catch up with them. And again, I put pictures of foods in here because normally I take things for granted. It's so easy to forget that we are so blessed in Australia with fresh foods, and I am grateful, and so this made it into my channel. And a cute dog, more family photos. I just wrote a verse here, I think that was in it already. And more family photos just to remember the day. Now these photos are mini photos which you can actually print out from Kmart or any, I guess, Officeworks, or any place where they may have instant photos. You can actually do that. It's a bit of a learning curve for me at the start, but once you learn something like this, it's very easy. And that's the nativity, and that's a gift from my sister. And yummy fruit, which again in Australia we have really fresh fruit, and it's just a blessing to have that. More family photos. I love putting family photos in because it just reminds me of what I've been given. Again, I often forget. More family photos. And we were able to host Christmas at our house this year, and so that's a blessing. And I wrote a prayer in here, which I found, a prayer of Christmas joy. And this came, our little gifts came in this little pyramid thing, and it was very cute, so I decided to pop that in here. Now this is called a belly band, and it's holding my carols. I did mention that in the last video, and it was so good to have that, being able to sing carols on Christmas Day, the ones that we love. This is just another song which I wrote, so it's like a prayer and it really resonates with me currently, so I've put it in there. And that's my puppy. And this is a collage, so I painted the background and collage with magazine, and that was also mentioned in my other video. And this is the continuation of that song. And more food. I attempted to have that as like a Christmas tree, but it's a little bit wonky, but that's okay. It's a junk journal, so junk journals are very giving, so it will be fine. And this is a gift from my mother-in-law, and so it's made it into my journal. And that's a photo of us, and I just wrote here some verses, just the meaning of Christmas, and I wanted to handwrite them, so it made it into my journal. So I just want to thank you guys for coming. Hope that you are recovering from the holidays and enjoying the rest of your holiday. I'll see you guys in my next video.